Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on Discord. So first, before when you have to change your nickname on your server, you would just go here on the top left corner and you would click on that, and there would be a edit nickname here on these options, but now it has been removed and has been replaced by edit server profile, which offers more customizability. As you can see, you can choose the server that you want to change your nickname into, and you could put your server nickname just like so. You could also add your pronouns, and if you have Discord Nitro, you could also change these, like your avatar, banner theme, and bio for every server. So here you could also go to user profile. You could just click on this, and after that, you could just go to the right side of your server right here and go show member list and click your profile here, and you could go click on edit server profile there. And if you are a server owner or a server admin, you could change the member's nickname. If you want to do that, just go here on the top left here, click on this one, and now go to server settings. And once you're on server settings, scroll down till you see user management right here and go click on members. And as you can see, we're now here, and you just need to click on the three dots on what member or who would you like to change the nickname. So just click on that, click on change nickname, and as you can see, nicknames are visible to everyone on this server. Do not change them unless you are enforcing a naming system or clearing a bad nickname. So it's up to you guys if you want to change them, but remember, don't use it for like bad stuff, and just use it if necessary. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.